Okay, so we're now going to look at how we resize existing space blocks. So this is going to be using the same command that we used last time, which is the place space block. We'll click there, and this allows us to select an existing space block. So we're going to pick one here, and we could now resize this. So for example, we may say, well, actually we want to carry this all the way to the wall here, and it will then resize that as such. Okay, so it's pretty much the same as using it for placing new ones. I'm going to show you an additional feature, which is whilst I'm still in the same command, if I select the next space block and I'm going to pick the lower left corner. Now we've only just selected the lower left, and upper right for the previous space block, and the command will remember that. So instead of selecting the upper left corner, I'm just going to right click, in which case it remembers the shape and size previously. So you can see how you can actually adjust one space block and then adjust other ones in exactly the same manner. And the other thing I'm going to show you while we're in here is the importance of the sequence as to how you pick the corners. So I'm going to modify this particular space block here, and instead of the lower left here, I'm going to pick this one, and then the upper left of how it will be orientated is this one. So it's not the actual upper left, but it's how it will be when it's rotated. And then the upper right, and you see what it does is it will actually orientate it so that it's now rotated 90 degrees. Okay, so the rotation that you pick for a space block, or the sequence that you pick the space blocks in, affects not only the insert point but also the rotation, and some layers when viewing text and so on through the web interface will be affected by the rotation. So it's important to make both the AutoCAD drawing legible and also the final published drawing through the web interface legible, that you get the rotation in a suitable format.